Hi everyone, welcome to your practice. Let's start with our legs and feet about shoulder width apart. We're going to start with an exercise that's a variation on a well-known Qigong exercise called dropping the post. It's an exercise that's designed to cleanse and clear the body of old energy. So we're going to start by lifting the arms, and as you lift your arms, you're going to soften your fists and then just drop the arms down and just let them swing. Now next time we do this, we're going to lift the arms up again. Soft fists, but lift your heels. Now drop the heels and drop the arms. Let's do that again. So you're going to inhale as you lift the heels, make your soft fists, and then exhale, drop the arms. You can breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. So inhale and exhale. A little faster. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So keep going. This exercise is designed to allow us to drop and sink the energy and release it. Letting go of any negative energy and releasing it into the earth. Really feel your heels dropping, pulsing into the earth every time you drop. Make sure that your knees are also slightly bent when you drop your heels. So you're not dropping your heels into straight legs. It's better for the spine and the pelvis as you do this. So we're releasing any stagnant energy, not only in the muscles, but also in the joints. Let's do this twice more. Good, now just take a moment to feel the heat moving through the body, developing in the body, as well as the energy circulating in the body. Can you feel that nice, lovely, tingling sensation in your arms? Good. Okay, so the next exercise we're going to do is called the arrow. So the arrow, you want to bring your legs and feet together. You're going to interlace your fingers and allow your index fingers to point up, and then your thumbs can just be crossed. And then from here, you'll just reach your arms up above your head. And as you lift your arms above your head, you're going to engage your leg muscles, squeeze your tush, lift your gaze, and slightly arch up and back. And then from here, you're going to bring the hands down behind the head, bend your knees, bend forward slightly from the hips. Let's do that again. So again, reach to your index fingers. Take a deep breath in, lift up and back, make sure those legs are engaged. And then hands behind the head, bend the knees, bend at the hips. I'll give you a profile view as well. So, inhale, lift. Exhale as you bend. Again, deep breath in, lift up and back. And exhale, bend. Keep going. This exercise is designed to connect the energies of the earth and the heavens through the movement. Also, to tonify that metal energy in the body, as well as the earth energy in the body. Metal energy being represented in the spine. It's a wonderful, nice stretch for the spine. And then that earth energy in the legs. Every time you bend your knees, feel your connection to the earth. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you bend. Again, inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Deep breath in. Exhale out. One more time. Now allow your arms to drop. Allow yourself to hang over your legs. Allow your legs to be soft, so a little soft bend in the knees. Relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Feel that nice, wonderful stretch of your lower back, as well as your hamstrings, so the backs of your legs. This exercise is great. This forward stretch is a wonderful way to open up the lower back, which also opens up the kidneys and the kidney energy, that water energy. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Nice forward stretch. Now interlace your fingers. Feel that softness in your knees. You're going to slowly roll up through your spine and feel the palms of the hands lifting up as you roll up through your spine. You'll turn the palms of your hands to face the sky, and then side bend over to your right. And as you side bend over to your right, just breathe deeply into your ribs. This exercise, this side bending stretch, is a wonderful way to open up and move and tonify the wood energy in the body, the energy of the liver and the gallbladder. Let's take another breath here. Now lift up nice and tall. Take another breath, and then exhale over to the other side. You can breathe in deeply through your nose and out through your mouth. Now remember, with any stretch that you do, that you only go as far as is comfortable for you. Take your stretch to your edge, but try not to go past it. Listen to your body. Inhale, stand nice and tall. And then exhale, open the arms out and down. Now pull the fingers back, draw your shoulders down, and draw your right ear to your right shoulder for a nice gentle neck stretch. Keep your ear close to your shoulder as you slowly rotate the head back, looking slightly up, and then rotate the head forward and down, looking slightly down. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. And with each breath, allow any tension or tightness that you may be holding in your neck, shoulders, upper back to melt away. Let's do another little stretch back and up. Feel that stretch in the front of the neck. And then rotate the head down. Feel that nice stretch on the back side of the neck. Now draw your chin towards your chest and take your head over to the other side, ear towards your shoulder. And then rotate the head slightly back and up. And then forward and slightly down. So when we open up any lines of tension in the neck and the shoulders, energy can travel up towards the head and the brain and allows us to connect more to our insight and intuition. Good. Chin towards your chest. Relax your arms and shake out your legs a little bit. Now, in my talk earlier, I talked about boundaries and the establishment of boundaries as we alter, change, break those sacred contracts. So I want to talk about a couple of acupressure points. There's triple warmer 5, which is on the back of your wrist, and pericardium 6, which is on the inside of the wrist. And what I'd like for you to do is just tap those points with your palms facing you, and just going to gently tap. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. So triple warmer 5 is said to reinforce, bolster the Wei Qi, which is the defensive Qi around the body, which is helpful and plays a part in your immune system, but also it helps to keep negative energy from others away. And pericardium 6, which is on the inside of the wrist, is a wonderful point to use to balance the emotions. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Deep breath in, deep breath out. This is a wonderful exercise to do when you feel as though you're being pulled off your center. When you just had a difficult conversation with someone, you take a moment, a private time for yourself. Just do this exercise to help bring you back to you. Take another breath, and exhale, relax. And just take a moment to just feel the energy circulating through your arms, down into your hands. Feel the internal energy in the body, but also see if you can sense through the palms of your hands the energy around you. Perhaps the air in the room, or if you're outside, can you feel the gentle breeze? The palms of your hands, the energy of the wind. Or if you're standing in the sunlight, can you feel the energy of the sun warming the body, the hands?